Welcome back, everyone. Today we're counting down the top 20 best and hottest Japanese porn stars who have captured audiences with their beauty, talent, and incredible screen presence in 2026. So, let's get started. Number 20, Hibiki Otsuki. Date of birth, February 21st, 1988. Place of birth, Otaru, Hokkaido, Japan. Joined this industry in 2008. She debuted in Assassin Maria in 2014, appeared as herself in Yakuza 0 in 2015, and co-founded T-Heart Project in 2016. She switched to a more natural style around 2011, which helped her career grow. She is represented by T-Powers and enjoys snowboarding, skateboarding, cooking, and visiting saunas. Number 19, Reiko Kobayakawa. Date of birth, November the 17th, 1982. Place of birth, Tokyo, Japan. Joined this industry in 2008. She was active from around 2008 to 2022 and appeared in numerous productions. She's also been credited under the names Ankara and Kyoka. Number 18, Melody Wilder. Date of birth, November 11th, 1997. Place of birth, Tokyo, Japan. Joined this industry in 2010. She began her career in the late 2010s, initially building a following as an independent creator by self-publishing content on various platforms. Later, she collaborated with studios such as MetArt, FTV Girls, and Digital Desire. Number 17, Shino Aoi. Date of birth, September 8th, 1990. Place of birth, Tochigi, Japan. Joined this industry in 2011. She was active from around 2011 to 2018 and appeared in many productions for major studios. She's also been credited under other names, including Megumi Shino, Haruka Nakamura, and Kurumi Mine. Number 16, Sora Aoi. Date of birth, November 11th, 1983. Place of birth, Chiba, Japan. Joined this industry in 2002. Beyond adult films, she's worked as a model, appeared in mainstream TV shows and movies, and released music. She also became active on social media and later transitioned away from AV work, focusing on other entertainment projects. Number 15, Hana Haruna. Date of birth, November 8th, 1988. Place of birth, Aichi, Japan. Joined this industry in 2010. She won the Best Actress Award at the AV Open Awards in 2014 and was also known for her appearances in mainstream media, including a commercial for Suntory's Boss Coffee. Fans and industry outlets often highlighted her presence and screen charisma, and she appeared in hundreds of productions over her career. Number 14, Anri Okita. Date of birth, October 28th, 1986. Place of birth, Birmingham, UK. Joined this industry in 2011. Anri Okita was an AV actress 2011 to 2016, appeared in approximately 300 films, then moved to mainstream work. Joined Ebisu Muscats, released the album Gorilla, acted in films, and now runs a YouTube channel about art. She's married and has a daughter. Number 13, Yuna Himekawa. Date of birth, August 3rd, 1996. Place of birth, isn't widely. Joined this industry in 2016. Yuna Himekawa is a former Japanese AV actress who debuted in 2016. She's also known under the name Yuri Mitsui. She appeared in numerous productions and built a notable presence in the industry before stepping back from active work. Number 12, Ruka Inaba. Date of birth, January 8th, 2000. Place of birth, Japan. Joined this industry in 2019. Ruka Inaba is a former AV actress who debuted in March 2019 with E-Body. She appeared in around 180 films in just over a year, was known for her screen presence, and later changed her stage name to Riri Haruka. She announced a retirement in 2022 but returned to performing in 2023. Number 11, Ai Uehara. Date of birth, November 12th, 1992. Place of birth, Fukuoka Prefecture, Japan. Joined this industry in 2016. Ai Uehara was one of the most prominent AV actresses in the early 2010s. In 2013, she was named DMM.com's Most Sold Actress of the Year. And in 2014, she won the DMM Adult Award for Best Actress. She also appeared as a character based on herself in Yakuza 0. Number 11, Kaho Shibuya. Date of birth, May 20th, 1991. Place of birth, Tokyo, Japan joined this industry in 2014. Kaho Shibuya is a Japanese cosplayer, streamer, writer, and former AV actress. Before her AV career, she worked as a baseball reporter for Tokyo Sports. She retired from AV in 2018, later requested the removal of her past films from circulation, and has since focused on streaming, cosplay, and writing, including a book about the Japanese porn industry. Number 9. Hitomi Tanaka. Date of birth: July 18, 1986. Place of birth: Kumamoto, Japan. Joined this industry in 2007. Hitomi Tanaka debuted in the AV industry in 2007 and became one of the most recognized performers, known for her natural looks and high sales rankings on DMM. She worked with major studios like Soft On Demand and Arashi Supergirl, and also collaborated with the US company Scoreland. Number 8. Yui Hatano. Date of birth: May 24, 1988. Place of birth: Tokyo, Japan. Joined this industry in 2008. Yui Hatano is one of the most prolific performers in the Japanese AV industry. She's appeared in over 3,000 films. She debuted in 2008 and won multiple awards, including Best Actress at the 2014 DMM Adult Awards and the Most Appearances Actress Award at the Sky Perfect TV Adult. Number 7. Julia Boyne. Date of birth: May 25, 1987. Place of birth: Tokyo, Japan. Joined this industry in 2010. Julia Boyne is a former Japanese AV actress who debuted in 2010 and appeared in over 800 films. She gained a large international fan base and was known for her petite stature and on-screen presence. Beyond AV work, she did modeling, appeared in magazines, and built a following on social media. Number 6. Maria Ozawa. Date of birth: January 8, 1986. Place of birth: Hokkaido, Japan. Joined this industry in 2006. Maria Ozawa is one of the most internationally recognized figures from the Japanese AV industry. She debuted in 2006 and quickly gained a huge following both in Japan and abroad, thanks to her mixed heritage, Japanese and Canadian, and strong media presence. Number 5. Ai Sayama. Date of birth: January 8, 1989. Place of birth: Tokyo, Japan. Joined this industry in 2008. Ai Sayama is a former Japanese AV actress and idol. She was part of the group Ebisu Muscats from 2008 to 2013 and later worked as a solo performer. She's also appeared in mainstream films and is known by nicknames like Love-chan and Sayaman. Number 4. Mao Hamasaki. Date of birth: October 20th, 1993. Place of birth: Chiba, Japan. Joined this industry in 2012. Mao Hamasaki debuted in the AV industry in 2012 with Prestige, then moved to Soft On Demand. She appeared in over 300 films and was nominated for a Best Actress Award at the Adult Broadcasting Awards in 2016. Number 3. Amy Fukada. Date of birth: March 18, 1998. Place of birth: Tochigi, Japan. Joined this industry in 2017. Amy Fukada is a former AV actress, YouTuber, and businesswoman. She debuted in 2017 under the name Kokoro Amami, then later worked as Amy Fukada, and even wrote scripts for her own productions. Number 2. Marika Haas. Date of birth: September 26, 1981. Place of birth: Tokyo, Japan. Joined this industry in 2007. Marika Haas is a Japanese AV actress, gravure idol, and model. She debuted as a gravure idol in 2007, released a nude photo book in 2008, and made her AV debut in December 2009 with SOD. Over her career, she appeared in around 200 films and worked internationally, including with US studios. Number 1. Ray Lil Black. Date of birth: August 17, 1996. Place of birth: Osaka, Japan. Joined this industry in 2017. Ray Lil Black debuted in adult films in 2017 and quickly gained a large following. In 2020, Pornhub ranked her among the top 30 most popular models, and in 2022 she hit number 18.